Now, I've got these two plants last just because I have tasted them and I thought I'll start the easy ones with Mr. Martin first because I know after tasting them it might be a bit overwhelming for his taste buds. The first time I went to Indigo, I tasted this and I had to think about it because the taste was so long lasting and ongoing. And I declined at first instance. I thought, no, I'm not going to get it. It's just too strong, even for me. But I've been thinking about it for the last week, and I thought I really ought to get it because it is that impactful that I still was hankering about it a couple of days. So today I went to Indigo again specifically to get this one. This is called the Tasmanian pepper bush. And look, I love the people at Indigo because I said I was only interested in the edibles, and I said, oh, are there any edibles? There were some, depending on the use of it and what I wanted to use it for. So but for this one I thought I'd try it because it is so strong. And Miss Martin hasn't come across this before, so I'd be I'd be interested in his perspective on this. But look, the people at Indigo, they told me this is the Tasmanian female pepper bush, and you could tell by the leaves. The leaves are wider. Now, this is the male Tasmanian pepper bush or pepper brush. I've got to find out. And you can see because the leaves are smaller for me, or for the species anyway. Apparently, if you want to get the peppers, because they actually do produce the peppers and can be a substitute for the peppercorn that we know, you need both plants
To
cross-pollinate and then produce flowers and then the pepper corns, I suspect. So that's what they'll produce. I'm preempting a bit. So what I might do is ask Mr. Martin to taste the male one first. Okay. I'll just get one leaf.
Look out.
Yeah, look out. Any smell?
No,
Not until you crush it.
Oh, jeez.
Yes. I'll say what I have to say. Oh, there's an ant.
This reminds me of being back in public school.
There's an ant in the pot.
no.
That's not a good sign, is it? There might be bugs in there. Oh dear.
Ant.
Yeah, look, there's an ant on my male pepper bush. Okay, are you ready for it?
It's like the peppercorn tree we used to have at public school.
Well, it is pepper bush, it says, so.
Smelled a lot like the peppercorn tree. Brings back interesting memories.
Okay. All right, let's see how interesting this is for you. You just took a small bite, you didn't?
You can taste the pepper.
Yeah. That's the first initial.
Oh, it gets stronger.
Oh, I know, it's incredible, isn't it?
It actually intensifies.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's the initial is mild.
It's I think it's like I've only taken a small leaf and it's like it's burning your tongue. Like
The heat
literally
is
the
strong.
heat burns your tongue.
It's almost like anesthetic. Like it when I first tasted it, my the part of my tongue where I chewed on it.
It's like the ghost peppers and stuff you get. You take a bite and there's nothing there for a minute, then all of a sudden it just gets bigger and
Yes,
my
exactly.
actual tongue now is tingling.
Yeah, I know.
And I only took off a small leaf, like
Yeah.
a 2 centimeter leaf.
Just show the leaf that you've used and crush. So you just basically got a small bit, and that's what I'm saying. Okay, see, and he just got
Very
that small.
intense.
That's why I was thinking about this. I thought I can't get this one because, and then I thought I have to get it because of it, because of that heat. It's such a surprising plant.
I reckon you put it in a curry or something you want to put a bit of heat to.
I'd be interested in the peppercorn itself. Now, this is where I probably have to disclose the male pepper bush for me is not as strong as the female one. So for me, the male pepper bush was actually quite mild. So,
Yeah, but you enjoy hot things.
but so are you ready for the female pepper bush? Okay. Do you want to try it?
Okay.
Okay. Well, do you want to get a fresher, younger leaf?
I'm just trying to find something so I don't upset the plant.
Because it is this one, the female is stronger, has a stronger scent and a stronger taste as well. And I should probably ask you in 10 minutes time if your tongue is still numb.
It has a different smell.
But it's still peppery.
Yeah, it's still peppery,
Mm-hmm.
but the first one, it's like the old peppercorn treat, where this is different again.
Yeah, but
This
it's the
is-
same
this is-
species.
This is almost like the scent is more like a normal peppercorn.
That one,
The female one.
the female one, as opposed to the male one. What was the male smell for you?
The male one reminded me of the peppercorn trees you used to get back in at home.
Yeah, so how is that different to the female peppercorn?
I guess anybody who wants to know is just going to have to buy the two packets and find out.
All right.
The scents are different.
Okay. Are you ready for it? Mr. Martin just put the leaf in his mouth now. Give him 10 seconds. Can you talk, honey?
I've actually squashed it between my teeth. Oh, now you can feel it.
There's that delay, isn't there?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I told you.
That's feral.
The female is stronger than the male one. I know. The first time I tasted, I can't get it. And I've been thinking about.
That's the size. And I had half of that, and the tip of my tongue is actually still on fire. Even despite eating the male one. Oh, she's got some kick.
See, the female of the species are stronger. Oh, dear.
I'm not saying nothing. But yeah, no, definitely something hot and spicy you'd need that into.
That's what I'm thinking. That's why I didn't want to get it, because I'm thinking we can't really use this for any dish because
Well, it might have beautiful flowers.
the peppercorn itself might be. But then you kind of have to mix it with the
I reckon the peppercorn itself would kill you.
Well, that's why I'm thinking you probably need like a couple of these native peppercorns mixed with the old
stock,
ones.
yeah.
It's just so you don't overwhelm it. It is strong.
You've got if you're really into eating natives, you've definitely got to try that one. She's got some kick.
You know, they were trying to offer me the curry myrtle, and I declined.
We tried a curry plant once.
We did. We had one, and
And-
it smelled and stank our
It
garden.
literally smelled like 24-hour a day.
Curry house.
Oh yeah, what's that famous Australian curry in the orange tin?
Keen's.
Keen's curry powder.
Yeah, I know, and I couldn't because I didn't like the smell, and I that's why I said no
had to get rid
no
of it.
curry for me. Not that I love curry, I just hated that plant because
This
it was
one
just
had
so
a
smelly.
smell, particularly when it got wet. It just literally smelled like Keen's curry.
Yeah. All right, now how are you feeling?
It's still burning.
It's still burning.
Mm.
You know, on the drive back, it's literally taken me, you know, so that long just to get rid of. My tongue was anesthetized by that. You know, it just
It's got a kick.
it's just yeah.
Even a small amount's got a kick.
All right, so we'll go first with the male. So out of 10 for the smell.
The smell isn't as intense as I was expecting. So you're probably going for about a 7, maybe.
Okay, and the taste.
The taste would have to be a 9. He was good. Well, I'd go 8 for an obvious reason.
Okay, all right, let's go for the female. Female
She
smell.
wasn't as strong
Yeah.
smelling. The
Yes.
taste-wise, she'd be about a 9, 9.5.
Yeah.
it had way more kick than unfortunately the male did.
Yeah, I mean, I just burnt my tongue the first time I tried the female, and when then I tried the male, I thought, well, I mean, that's actually quite mild. I can live with that, but the female,
She's got a bit of kick.
very strong.
Mm.
Okay, so what do you think overall about this Tasmanian native pepper bush? Because it's supposed to be from Tassie, so I'm not sure how it will go well here in Sydney.
Hello, Tasmania. Should be all right.
Yeah. Okay, we shall see what we can use this with.
Mm.
Do you think you're gonna have it in tea?
Not in tea.
Unless you want to
Look, if you wanted something that counted,
or numbed your tongue.
if you put that in tea, you could have like a sweet and sour arrangement. Like, you know, you get something sour, something sweet, where this would be something potent, and you'd need something on the other end of the scale to fight it off.
I don't know. Would you do it as a savoury drink or a sweet drink? Really?
Put a small bit in to get an undercurrent,
I don't know.
an undertaste.
Would you even put it, like, say, put in a bloody margarita? Well, maybe that could be it. Like a kick of a bloody margarita.
Something you want to kick into it.
Oh, yeah. All right, so this is the Tassie native pepper bush, both female and male, and we'll see if it grows and produces peppercorns for us.
I might kick it together with mint.
You and your mint.
I love my mint.
Well, now you've got your native time. All right.
All right.
Bye.
Enjoy.